In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a remittance advice in Xero. A remittance advice is the note you send a supplier to confirm which bill you've paid and how much. So it's a simple but important step for keeping your accounts and your supplier relationships clear. Before we start, make sure the bill you're paying is already entered in Xero and that you have permission to record payments. First, sign in to Xero and head to your purchases area. From there, open bills and go to the list of bills awaiting payment. This view shows everything that's due or scheduled, and it's the best place to begin because your remittance advice will be tied to the specific bill you choose here. Next, find the bill you want to pay and open it. Take a moment to confirm the supplier name, the invoice number, the due date, and the total amount. It's worth double-checking any discounts or credits applied because whatever you pay now is exactly what your remittance advice will communicate to the supplier. If you're planning a part payment rather than the full amount, make a note of the figure you intend to pay. Now click Make a Payment. In the payment screen, enter the payment date, choose the correct bank account the money is coming from, and add a clear reference so the supplier can match the payment on their end. Enter the amount you're paying, full or partial, and, if needed, include a short note for your internal records. Accuracy matters here. The date should reflect when the money actually leaves your account, and the bank account must match where you processed or will process the payment. When everything looks right, confirm or save the payment. Xero will record it against the bill, reducing the outstanding balance accordingly. Once the payment is confirmed, you'll see the option to send remittance advice. Click that. A message window opens where you can select the supplier's email address, adjust the subject line, and write a short professional message. Keep it clear and helpful. Mention the invoice number, the amount paid, and the payment date, and let the supplier know to contact you if anything doesn't align with their records. You can preview the remittance advice to ensure the details match what you just recorded. When you're satisfied, send it. Xero will email the remittance advice and you'll have a clean record that the payment and notification were sent. That's it. You've created and sent a remittance advice in Xero, confirming your payment and keeping both sides aligned.